Hello students, today I am taking problem and solution on agriculture accounting. The question on the basis of farm accounting. Today I am taking these questions particularly for BCom third year, fifth semester students who are learning from Swami Ramananda Tirtha Marathwada University, Nanded. I am Dr. V.D. Jadhav, Assistant Professor, People's College, Nanded. PG Faculty of Commerce and Management. Okay. I am taking of this topic series question number 6. This is the sixth question of this topic. I increase font size because of you are you view effectively. You can view effectively. This question has asked in the examination March, April 2018. In the examination March, April 2018. Question number 6. In the examination March, April 2018. The question is from the following details make up the cattle count in the books of Rani Farm Limited. Question in that question three column particular, first column, second column numbers, third column rupees. In that particular first item cattle in bracket opening value of livestock number of livestock 2000 amount rupees 60 lakh. The next item cattle food is also opening stock. In that opening stock number is dash amount rupees 6 lakh. Purchases next item purchases of cattle in bracket purchases of cattle in bracket during the year, number of cattle 4,000, amounted rupees 1 crore 17 lakh. Column width is less, hence it is displaying. Now it is okay. I have increased the column length. The next item, sale of cattle in bracket during the year, amount of sale of cattle, sorry, first number of cattle 3,000, amount of cattle sold during the year 1 crore 12 lakh 50,000. Next item, sales of slaughtered cattle number of slaughtered cattle 800, amount rupees 36 lakh. Slaughtered cattle means for Marathi medium students कत्तल केलेली जनावरे. Next item, sales of carcasses. Carcasses means आजारी जनावरे. Number of carcasses 100, amount rupees 1,50,000. Next, cattle in bracket closing value of livestock number of closing value of cattle, number of cattle 2,300, amounted rupees cattle 1 crore 17 lakh. Next item, cattle food in bracket closing stock numbers dash, amount rupees 7,50,000. The next adjustment part, next question of the adjustment part, out of calves, calves means वासरू लहान पिल्लू गाईचं for example, number of out of calves born during the year 80 died and the carcasses of the calves did not realize anything. Prop worth rupees 4,50,000, grown in farms rupees 3 lakh, is to be estimated as wages for rearing. Rearing means संगोपन, सांभाळणे. जे लहान पिल्लं असतील किंवा जे जनावरे असतील, कॅटल असतील, त्यांना सांभाळणे. Slaughter house. Slaughter house means कत्तलखाना. Slaughter house expenses amounted to rupees 4,50,000. Charge depreciation rupees 1,50,000 and insurance rupees 75,000. This is the question. I am highlighting this question because of you can view better way. I have read questions carefully for you. Now I am taking solution of this question. In the books of Rani Farms Limited, debit particular numbers rupees. Same thing is on credit side. I'm increasing column width because of you can view better way. This is cattle account. I'm solving question. I have created debit side and credit side, three column for debit side, three column for credit side. The first item, I'm creating distance because of a question and answer. You can view differently. The first item, cattle, in bracket given opening value of livestock, hence to be recorded to the debit side. Opening stock always recorded to the debit side to opening stock. Under the heading of opening stock, first item, cattle. Cattle numbers given 2000, amount rupees 60 lakh. The next item, cattle food. Cattle food numbers dash, amounted rupees 6 lakh, should be recorded to the debit side under the heading of opening stock. Because of in that item in bracket has given opening stock, hence cattle and cattle food I have recorded under the heading of opening stock. Cattle 60 lakh, cattle food 6 lakh. The next item has given purchases. Purchases, sorry, I forget to take one item in the question, that is purchases of cattle food. Now I am creating one column, one row, and recording the questions item, purchases of cattle food. Numbers dash, amounted rupees 27 lakh. Sorry for your inconvenience. I am explaining once again. On the time of giving question, I forget one item to give you. Now I have recovered this item. Purchases of cattle food. Opening stock as it is same. The next item is purchases of cattle food. Here is given two purchases. Hence I am creating one heading combinedly two purchases. Under the heading of purchases, first item, Cattle food. Cattle food numbers, none of this amounted rupees 27 lakh. 27 lakh. It should be recorded to the debit side. The next item, purchases of cattle in bracket during the year. Number of cattle 4,000, amounted rupees 1 crore 17 lakh. The next item, sale of cattle, sale of slaughtered cattle, sale of carcasses. Here in that question, 3 sales item. Hence, I am taking one heading sales. Sales always recorded to the credit side under the heading of sales. First, cattle. This is sale of cattle during the year 3,000 amount numbers and amount rupees 1 crore 12 lakh 15,000. Numbers 3,000, amount rupees 1 crore 12 lakh 50,000. The next item, slaughtered cattle. Slaughtered cattle numbers 800, amount rupees 36 lakh should be recorded to the credit side under the heading of sales. The next item, sale of carcasses. Numbers 100, amount rupees 1 lakh 50,000 should be recorded to under the heading of sales, credit side. The next two item has combined name, that is closing value or closing stock. Hence, I am recording credit side by closing stock. Under the heading of closing stock, first item, cattle. Numbers 2,300, amount rupees 1 crore 17 lakh. The next item, cattle food, closing value or closing stock. Numbers is nil or 0, amount rupees 7,50,000. Then make a total of each side starting with credit side, because of generally credit side is more than debit side. Sorry, adjustment I have not solved up to the day, hence I am solving first adjustment. I am reading, out of calves born during the year 80 died, and the carcasses of the calves did not realize anything. Means out of the calves born 80 calves died. Died means stock reduced. Whenever stock reduced, item shows to the credit side. Hence, I am recording this by calves died. How many calves died? 80 calves died. 80 calves died, and carcasses of the calves did not realize anything. Value nothing. Hence, it is blank or dash. The next crop worth rupees 4,50,000 grown in farms. Crop should be recorded to the debit side. Whenever stock increase, grown means increase. On that time recorded to the debit side to crop account. To crop account. Amounted rupees 4,50,000. Numbers dash. The next rupees 3 lakh is to be estimated as wages or rearing. Wages always recorded to the debit side, hence to wages. Rupees 3 lakh. The next adjustment, slaughterhouse expenses amounted to rupees 4,50,000. Expenses, debit all expenses, hence recorded to the debit side to slaughterhouse expenses amounted rupees 4,50,000. The next, charge depreciation rupees 1,50,000. Depreciation always recorded to the debit side to depreciation. Amount rupees 1,50,000. The next item, insurance. The insurance also recorded to the debit side. Numbers dash. Amount of rupees 75,000. Okay. Now make a total of credit side. Numbers total 6,280 and amount total 2 crore 74 lakh 50,000. Then create total of the debit side also. I have created total. Debit side total is less than credit side total. Hence, minus debit side total from credit side total. The difference balance should be recorded to the debit side. Credit side numbers 6,280 minus 6,000. The balance is 280. Numbers 280. This numbers indicates, it means increased numbers, means calves born 2. What is the reason for increase these numbers? This is the reason. Calves born. For your information purpose, I am mentioning in the bracket. This is balancing figure. Now you can understand better way. Now debit side and credit side carried. Then next, credit side amount minus debit side amount. The difference balance is 50 lakh 25,000. 50 lakh 25,000. Now both side are equal, debit side as well as credit side. This is also balancing figure, means this is the profit transfer to profit and loss account. In bracket, profit transfer. Okay, debit side and credit side both are equivalent. Now I am creating format for your better understanding purpose. Now you can see question and answer in a one page with effectively. Okay, these sides I am highlighting for your better understanding purpose. I hope you have clarity about this question and answer. Now you are eligible to solve these types of questions in the examination. I have solved this question. This is opening stock purchases. Under the heading of opening stock, two items has mentioned. Under the heading of purchases, two items mentioned. Then crop account, wages, slaughterhouse expenses, depreciation, insurance. These are taken from this adjustment, and the balancing figure 280, that is Carl's born, means Pillu Janmala Ali Astif. That is assumption out of this. Okay. Then balancing figure of amount profit transfer to profit and loss account. The credit side under the heading of sales, cattle, slaughtered cattle, carcasses. That in that adjustment 80 cows are died. There is no amount anything, hence in that rupees column blank. Cattle under the heading of closing stock, cattle and cattle food has given. These are the total. Okay, thank you.